Can making sounds while you're striking increase your striking speed? Watch this.
I was interviewing him before a fight, and he says, "What are you doing afterwards?" I said, "Oh, I go to the hotel. I'm gonna eat something." He says, "Man, can you train me for an hour?" I go, "Sure, yeah, I would love that." We're on the focus mitts, and I let him hit a 4-shot, and he goes, "Toot, toot, toot." I say, "Go faster. You're faster than this." They go, "Pa, pa, pa." I said, "Just think this. Ta, 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 ta. Ta, 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 ta. Just think that in your head." And he goes, "Toot, toot, toot, toot." And he stops and he looks at me, go like, "Dude." I go, "Yeah, because this is how I work with sound effects. If you keep them high paced, your body will automatically trigger and you're going to be that fast." So 2 weeks later, I have Greg Jackson on the show. He said, "What you been doing to the gym?" I go, "What do you mean?" He says, "Everybody's making these stupid, crazy sound effects." I said, "Are they faster and more explosive?" He goes, "Yeah." I go, "You're welcome, dude."